party to drink, dance and have a good time, you know, release stress. But nowadays, if you're not careful, you will go on party and come back with more stress than you go there with. Because of all this shit we have to deal with. Parties are really what you expect them to be anymore. And I got party problems. Let's start with the promoters. Listen to me, promoters, you don't need to plan on no shit. But tired of go a party and liquor done. How you keep a party with 1 flask of rum and 6 beer, 2 or 3,000 people? That's even when me and my friend never drink up with that the liquor bit of liquor. We don't need to fix that shit. VIP is supposed to be about hassle-free bars, liquor inclusive and food sometimes. Exclusive shit, right? So every time I go VIP, the VIP is smaller than a 1-room boardhouse. I may have to spend half of the night a shout over the music to the one bartender where I serve everybody. Hey! Shalalala! Yo! Bartender! Yeah! Let me get that! And when you do get your order now, I some shitty mix again. You order rum and Red Bull and then give you Guinness and cranberry. Person enterprise people, fix that shit. I'm tired of these understaffed bars. Tell me how one bartender for you serve regular people and VIP. Tell me that. Blood pressure, Jesus. Let's start from outside and work our way into the club now. Now we know it's security important, but I'm tired of going to these parties and having my balls squeezed by security guards. Female army, and I'm tired of them. Since everything's a high tech, a time for no upgrade. Get one of the sitting them where them have an airport, they just walk through. Balls can't take no more harassment. Listen to me, I have my future kids swimming around in this balls. They are very dear to me. You cannot squeeze up on balls like a juice orange. So after having your balls juggled, you get inside of the park. You know you always see the woman them pan their phone in that park. A tweet. Oh bitch, did you know you can do that shit? Yeah. Let me see your phone for a sec. I'm coming on a damn party a tweet, man. Wait this one. It convinces some man to know when to be bad man. You see the niggas who put on screw face for the entire party. Like a war them a go. That type of nigga there, if you step on theme shoes, you don't know say him a go kill you or every chromosome connected to your DNA. Dog, calm down. Relax your face. It's just a party. Then you have the selector. Now big up the selector them will understand say party like half 2 o'clock. 3 sometimes if you deal with the officer them. But big up the selector them will understand say party like half certain time so them like bag of chatting and just come on and run through. You have some selector where just take the thing for your talk show and come with like a bag of chatting. Their laptop have 6 tunes and the rest of the night just be a ras chat them a chat like it's a documentary. Shut up and play a tune, you chat too much. You what, journalists? Drunk people. Now, I know sometimes you don't really want to drink responsibly. You want to drink until you're unresponsive. But please, you need to learn to handle your liquor. As much as you don't like the hangover the next morning, that's how other people don't like your vomit on them clothes. What the fuck? Better fix that shit. Now, the biggest problem I have concern the female. God damn it. Don't understand what I'm saying. Everybody knows that where women go, men will follow. Boom, boom, there. Boom, boom. So tell me how after woman get to go in a party 2 for 1 or sometimes 4 for 1. When you go in at the party, them a dance with them one another. Heights fuckery. And it's not like men now approach them to get a dance. Whether you do it the right way or the wrong way, they would like them boom boom on fire before they give you a dance. Tell me if that's not foolish. And then they left you with dance, it's only like a wild girl. You know that girl that was just all over the place? When she a dance party, you hold your liquor dash where you're sitting. The fuck? Calm down, my girl. Yo, stop. Move first. Go on. Fucking idiot. People the party literally look like Moses walk through the crowd and party with his staff. Man over here so, woman over here so. You hear me? Take on the raw song and mingle and mix. You ever see a girl dance and you move in your dance, you turn around and give you the and when me just taste face. Gully creep up under the gyrating bumper, you see me? Only forget this. Excuse me? And the only thing you want to say, bitch, what you expect for a creep up behind you? Denzel Washington, you come turn around and give man day. And when we just taste face. Not even that dance all that good. Look like somebody threw some stone and stick in a one blender and plug in. All I'm trying to say is just bring back parties from where they are now to where they should be. If you have the same party problems that I have, like and share this video. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Idiot. Yes, man.
I fucked up my room. I fucked up. This is the stupidest shit I've ever done. But I do it for you.